Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate and
Hi, Miss Hazel on the camera.
today we are making dragonflies. One of my favorite bugs ever.
Miss Kate, that's really pretty.
Isn't that fun?
Whoa, how'd you make that?
Well, let me tell you how we made it. Miss Hazel and I were gifted a bunch of corks, so we hot glued them together.
All right, let's
So
take
there's
a
a
look at
champagne or sparkling wine cork. They're the big fat ones, and so this is the head of the dragonfly. And then 3 segments for the body.
that. All right.
So the first thing you're going to want to do is paint it, and painting with acrylics on this is probably your best bet. Let it dry overnight, but meanwhile you have another project. You're going to make the wings. So to make the wings, I used 2 pipe cleaners,
Okay.
and I twisted them together. So we twist it like this so it's stuck together, and then make it into a circle like so.
Okay.
And then, oh, did my other one? And then,
Now you've got a circle.
yes, so now we're
Okay.
going to pinch where we twisted back to the middle, so it makes it like an 8, the number 8.
Okay.
And we're
What
gonna-
did I have a good joke for you?
Oh, I just read this yesterday. But you should ask that joke, because I bet everyone would like it if they haven't heard it before.
What did the 0 say to the 8? Miss Kate? I really like your belt.
Oh, that's right. I think our version was a little different, but that's funny. We're just going to do it. So now you have your wings.
Okay.
This is the shape of the wings. The next part of what you're going to do is you're going to take some tissue paper.
Ooh, that's kind of cool.
And carefully put glue all around the edge of your wings, and then press it onto your tissue paper. So I've already done this one, and I let it dry. So now you see it's
the
just
other
gonna stay.
side?
Yeah, so it looks like
Oh,
that.
that's kind of cool. All right.
Okay, and then you'll
And the
cut it
glue-
off.
And the glue's going to dry clear, so it's really
Yeah.
okay if there's a fair
Oh
amount
yeah,
of
I
glue
made a
there.
giant. There's glue all over the place on this one.
Okay.
And in
Nicely
fact, there's
done.
glue over here. So then, when you're done with that, you're going to cut them out. So now here are your wings.
Oh, that's so pretty.
And they're pretty stiff. They're nice. The tissue paper couldn't rip, so just be careful. That's all. And now to decorate, once they are dry, the glue's dried and you cut it off, we are using, I moved everything around, we are using gold leaf, which is very fancy. I should have gotten the glue ready though first, so hold on a minute.
Miss Kate, when you're
Yeah.
putting it together, does it matter which way the wings go? If the fuzzy part shows or not?
It doesn't
Is
actually
it kind
matter.
of a style decision?
Mine was a style decision. I liked
You
it
did
that way.
yours on top like that. Okay.
Yeah.
All
So
right.
when I put the gold leaf on, or you could use glitter glue if you have that.
You could even use little jewels if you wanted. Anything
Mm-hmm.
shiny.
The jewels might rip the paper, so I'd be worried about that.
Okay.
So I'm just putting a little dab of glue. If you have a toothpick, that was probably easier than what I'm doing right here. Oh, in fact, I had a toothpick in here. Oh, it's right here. And then I'm going to take, so this is gold leaf. It's very fragile, little thin paper. I'm going to take a tiny bit of it, and see it sticks to my finger because my fingers are a little gluey now, and probably a little sweaty because it's hot.
All right, I'm going to move this out of the way so
Okay, we can
have
see.
a clear vision of what
Okay, I'm
you're
getting my
doing.
toothpick back up.
Okay.
So now I put the piece of gold leaf on, and I'll add some more right there. And I'm going to use my toothpick now to get off my finger and onto this.
Nice.
Okay. Then I'll do that on both sides. I'll let it all dry, and then we'll be good to go.
Okay. What's
Then
the next step?
the next step,
Oh,
is
it dried
to-
magically.
magically it's dry. The next step is to make the legs. So I took a pipe cleaner again, and I took 3 half pieces of, so I'm going to just cut this one because I only grabbed enough for that. Okay, so we're going to take 3 pieces for the legs,
Okay.
and then we're going to turn our dragon over, even though you didn't have the wings on yet, and glue them, I'll do it on this one, glue them to the body right below where your head is. Now, if you're using tacky glue, you're going to have to let that dry probably overnight if you have enough glue. If you are using hot glue with someone's help, or if you're big enough to do it on your own, then you can just hot glue them on. They'll be ready quickly. Once they're on, then you just want to bend them a little bit to turn them into legs, so that, see this one, I bent
nice.
them,
Okay.
and then now it can sort of stand when it's sitting here like this. Now, to put on the wings, this
How'd you
part,
do that?
well, I'm going to show you.
Okay.
For the wings, I'm taking, you could glue them on, again, you could hot glue them on, but what we're going to do, because it's easy is we're going to take, now of course I'm pretending like this is already dry. We're going to turn the head over, and right at the edge of the head, I'm putting in a thumbtack right into my wings and into the cork.
Oh,
so now they're
wow.
staying like this, and then I'll do the other one. Same thing, so when it comes around, then you have, so you can see this one has the 2 thumbtacks poked in,
the wings.
holding the
Nice.
wings on,
Okay.
tacky glue holding that on, and then for fun, I used some jewels that we had to make the eyes, and some jewels to show the segments of the body. And then once it's all dry, you have this beautiful dragonfly that you can play with.
All right. Very nice,
And there
Miss
you go.
Kate.
Thanks, and there's a dragonfly. Have fun making them.
If you like this video,
Subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Instagram.
bye
everybody.
now. Bye, everybody.